Greetings, my fellow English enthusiasts. Just as I promised when I uploaded the recent quiz on my Facebook page, today we are going to delve into the world of prepositions of time, specifically in, on, and at. Are you ready to level up your grammar game?
Yeah.
Great! First of all, I'll show you the answers to my quiz. Now is the time to learn how to use each of these three prepositions of time accurately. Let's start with in. We use in when we are talking about periods of time that are longer, like months, seasons, or years. For example, I'm going to start a new project in May. The cherry blossoms bloom in the spring. In is like a wide-angle lens that zooms out and captures a bigger picture. You know, like when you take a panoramic shot of a beautiful landscape. Here are some more examples for when to use in. Moving on to on. We use on when we are talking about specific dates or days. For example, my sister's birthday is on September 12th. I have a job interview on Wednesday. On is like a laser pointer that points to a specific day or date. You know, like when you're playing with your cat and using a laser pointer to make her chase the red dot?
Wow!
Here are some more examples for when to use on. And finally, we have at. We use at when we are talking about specific times. For example, I'm meeting my friends at noon. The concert starts at 8:30 p.m. At is like a stopwatch that measures a specific moment in time. Like when you're competing in a race and you're trying to beat your personal best time.
Awesome!
Here are some more examples for when to use at. So there you have it, my fellow English aficionados. In for longer periods of time, on for specific days or dates, and at for specific times. Now go out there and conquer the world of English like the grammar gurus that you are.